Hi, I'm Kate, aka at the Full Freezer, and I'm thrilled to be here in the AO kitchen to show you how I make my food shop go further using this unsung hero, the fridge freezer. I just want to give you a little tour of where I'm putting everything. In the door, you'll notice we've got things that have got preservatives in them, so vinegar and sugar. That's because this is the warmest part of the fridge. These foods don't need to be kept as cool as everything else. Moving on to the body of the fridge, we have cooked foods at the top. So this is ready to eat things like cooked meats, leftovers, fresh berries. This is a really good place to keep them so they're eye level so you don't forget about them. In the middle of the fridge, we've got dairy products, so cheeses, yogurts, eggs as well should be kept in the fridge. It's not about keeping them cold, it's about keeping the temperature consistent. Moving on to the bottom shelf, we've got thick-skinned veg, so parsnips, potatoes. They are going to last longer in the fridge. We can also keep our raw meat on the bottom shelf of our fridge if we've not got our veggies there, but we have got a special space here which is a temperature controlled drawer. This allows us to keep a nice low temperature and it stops any cross-contamination with other foods. Lastly, the humidity controlled zone for things like our leafy greens. You can set it to low humidity or high humidity for those particular items to help to keep them fresher for longer. By organising our food in this way, it's going to be far more likely we're actually going to use things and we are saving our money.